June came in heavy with the sky split wide, clouds like coal dust, no way to hide. The hollers held their breath that day as the rivers found their voice and lost their way. Creeks turned wild where they once ran thin, climbed up porches, pushed right in, and the hills stood still, but the valleys cried when the rain wouldn't quit and the waters climbed. Oh, the water took the roads, took the fields, took the night, took the quiet little towns in a roaring bite, but it couldn't take the hands that held on tight. In West Virginia, we don't let go without a fight. Clendenin woke to a world undone, Main Street drowning in the rising run. Summersville watched as the Gauley swelled and the stories of loss began to tell. Church bells silent, schools washed bare, photos and memories drifted somewhere, and the mountains stood like they always do, but even they felt the sorrow move through. Down in Richwood, where the river roared, homes broke loose from the earth they'd known before. Some burned bright as they drifted away, fire on water in the light of day. Mudslides tore from the mountainside, dragging trees and the earth in stride, and the creeks took bridges like they were straw, snapped them loose in a moment of a roar. Take the will we found when West Virginia hearts came rallying round. Neighbors became lifelines in the rain, John boats drifting down Main Street lanes, strangers with chainsaws, mud on their boots, digging out hope from shattered roots. They brought hot meals and a place to stay, cleared the wreckage day by day, and in the wreck of what was gone you could feel something stubborn holding on. 23 names in the mountain air, carried like a quiet prayer, and every drop that fell that night still echoes in the morning light. Tears and skies, but it couldn't drown the way we rise. In West Virginia we survive, we rise, we rise. Now when the thunder rolls in low and the rivers start to grow, we remember June and what it gave, not just the flood, but the souls it made brave.